Hey guys, so today we're going to talk about this beauty right here, this royal fragrance and one of the most expensive perfumes in my collection. I had to sell my kidney to buy this perfume. But yeah, I'm just kidding. So this is the perfume right here. This is Nefs by Nishane. This perfume is Arabian royalty. If you want to smell like a beautiful Arabian prince or princess or king or queen, whatever, and jazz, this is going to be your perfume. Just take a look at this beautiful fragrance. Look at the detailing. Look at the bottle. It's stunning. It's a black bottle inside, and there's like a mesh, like a gold mesh frame outside. It's such a heavy bottle. The cap is quite heavy. It's just and the fragrance, I oh, it is outstanding. This is one of the best fragrances in my collection by far. This perfume has so many notes and so many layers to it. It's a very complex fragrance, let me tell you. It has some rose, it has some saffron at the top, it has some honey. So there is some sweetness, there is some florals with the rose. It has lots of wood. It has lots of leather. So when I sprayed this perfume, I was just testing it the other day, and the major notes that I got on my skin, and which I could smell on my clothes were mostly rose. There was some saffron at the beginning. So at the top, when I sprayed it, I could smell saffron. It's a very distinctive note. It also had wood, so there's a lot of smokiness and woodiness, and there's a lot of resinous touch to the fragrance overall. So it's a very beautiful oriental, leathery, floral perfume. The amount of time this perfume lasts on my skin and on my clothes, this is where the price tag comes in. It is value for money. This perfume is an amazing bang for your buck because it lasts for days on my clothes and forever on my skin as well. It's extremely potent. It is a very, very strong perfume. Just the detailing of the bottle, it's just an experience. I think Nishane Nefs is a full on experience. It just came in such a beautiful box as well. I think it is worth the money. Um, I mean, it is a little expensive, but I find it to be worth the money because I appreciate this fragrance a lot. It has enormous longevity, as I said, and a monstrous sillage as well. The projection on this perfume is insane because it creates like a full on, like a round cloud around you, and people will smell you and people will compliment you, and trust me, people will notice this perfume because it's a very unique and complex fragrance. It's like, oh, I catch the note of rose. Oh, but I also catch the note of honey, and I also catch the note of leather, and I also catch the note of saffron. So what is this beautiful perfume? And just so refined. I cannot recommend it enough if you want to smell luxurious, if you want to smell expensive, if you want to exude that, um, luxe character. This is going to be the perfect fragrance for you. It is, I would say, this is a nighttime perfume, but I mean, I think I can pull it off in the daytime as well, and I believe most of you can because it's just since it's a very potent fragrance, some people may not be able to bear it in the daytime because it's warmer and a little sunny. So since it's such a heavy fragrance, may not be for everyone to wear it during the daytime. So for them, I would recommend wearing this perfume during the night time. But yeah, I would wear this perfume like day, night. I don't care. It is an amazing perfume, and I really want to smell like Arabian royalty when I wear this perfume. So why not? Like, why not? So yeah, that was my review of this beautiful perfume. I hope you give it a try. I hope you get a chance to at least try out, like get a tester, a travel size of this perfume, and give it a shot. See if you like it. See what notes you can get out of this perfume, just because it's such a complex and such a layered perfume. What notes are prominent to you? And you know what performs well on your skin? Just let me know in the comments below. Let me know your thoughts. I would love to read through them. I post videos every Sunday at 11 a.m. New York time. So, yeah, I hope to see you next time. And remember to spread those good vibes and beautiful scents wherever you go.